Ever heard of Bach Flower Remedies? Ever experienced their soothing effects? Ah, the wonders of nature, forever surprising us with its healing powers. Today we dive into the world of Bach Flower Remedies, a system of natural medicine for emotional health and balance. Bach Flower Remedies are a collection of 38 flower and plant-based remedies, each linked to a specific emotion. Pioneered by Dr. Edward Bach in the 1930s, they are a unique system to help us understand and address emotional imbalances. So, how do you use these natural elixirs? It's straightforward, really. Firstly, identify your feelings. The key to using Bach Flower Remedies effectively lies in understanding your emotional state. Each remedy corresponds to a particular emotion. For instance, holly is used for jealousy, while elm is for feeling overwhelmed by responsibility. Once you've pinpointed your emotion, select the corresponding Bach Flower Remedy. You can choose more than one if you're experiencing a mix of emotions. Now on to the dosage. Bach Flower Remedies come in liquid form, available as drops and pills. The standard dosage is 4 drops, 4 times a day. The method of intake is simple. You can place the drops directly on your tongue. But if the taste isn't to your liking, don't worry. You can mix the drops into a glass of water and sip it at intervals. Remember, Bach Flower Remedies work on an emotional level. They are not intended to replace medical treatment for physical ailments. So, to summarize, understand your feelings, select the appropriate remedy, and take 4 drops 4 times a day, either directly on your tongue or mixed in water. Bach Flower Remedies are a gentle, natural way to balance your emotions. They help you navigate through life's ups and downs with a little more ease. So the next time you feel a whirlwind of emotions, remember, a few drops of Bach Flower Remedies could be just what you need to restore your emotional balance. Bringing nature's healing touch to your doorstep, Bach Flower Remedies are there to help you maintain emotional health. Harness their power, and you'll be walking towards a more balanced, harmonious life.